What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. Check it out, man. Look what I got in the mail last week. The new Gamma boosted shaver. You know what I'm saying? Check that out. A lot of people have been asking for another shaver from Gamma and Stylecraft, and I think, you know, this one, it looks pretty good, right? Like I said, I got it last week. I'm unboxing this for y'all on camera, and I'm gonna talk about using this a little bit in this video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, man, so check it out once again. The Gamma boosted professional shaver with super torque motor, runs at 11,000 RPMs. Premium gold titanium foils offer a superior shaving experience for even the most sensitive skin. Includes customizable accessories, thumb part, detachable hanging loop and screws, rechargeable battery with 180-minute runtime, and 3 LED indicator lights for different battery levels. Water resistant. I want to make sure I say that it is water resistant for full submersion in water for 30 minutes up to 3.2 feet of water. That's crazy that you can actually put this in water and it's gonna work. Ergonomic and compact design, weighing only 5.6 ounces, staggered, crunchy, ultra thin stainless cutters for a super close and smooth finish with a distinctive audible crunch. Premium gold titanium foils with integrated micro trimmer feeds longer hair for a smoother, more effective shave. Includes protective cap, USB charging cord, cleaning brush, removable thumb part, and detachable hanging loop, 5 screws, and a mini screwdriver. So once again, man, that's basically what it says on the new Gamma boosted shaver. And just so y'all know, guys, this product does not drop until September. However, they are taking pre-orders, so you can go to gammaplusna.com. You can pre-order this. You can use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Not 100% sure what the price is, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all so y'all can know before visiting that website. And once again, if you use my discount code TANK10, you will get a discount on that. So it's gonna bring that price down just a little bit. But once again, man, let's take another look at this shaver. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. So as you can see, once you open it, we got the pamphlet in there. You know, Gamma always has some nice packaging. So we're gonna take this warranty booklet out of there. You know, we don't honestly ever look at that. But let's take the shaver out of here. As you can see, kind of resembles the Rebel shaver, right? We have that protective cap on there. We're gonna go ahead and take the cap off so y'all can see the foils. Now, like I said earlier, guys, I did get this in last week and I have been using it. So if there's a little bit of hair on there, that's the reason for that. But we do have the little thumb, you know, placement right here. We have grooves in the back for ergonomic, as you can see. So if you're shaving, you can put your fingers right here when you're coming up. Or me personally, I like to hold my shaver this way because of the way I want the foils to be on the skin, right? So I've been holding the shaver this way to use it, but you can also use it this way if you want to give a lighter touch or if you're trying to blend out that bottom line, right? But as you can see, we have the 2 foil cutters, and then we have a bigger, or I'm not a bigger, but we have a different cutter in the middle. Now, what that cutter is for is if you have longer hairs, like if you trim the hair down with a clipper closed instead of a trimmer or your 5/0s, it will still easily feed the hair and take it down with this trimmer. Now, I wouldn't say that you should do that very often because it may take you a little longer. It may irritate the client, but if you miss a couple hairs, you know what I'm saying, this thing will take that hair down with that middle blade in there. So check that out once again. And that's basically the use for that middle blade. I know some shavers do have that and some don't. You know, obviously it's based on the company and what they're trying to do. But all in all, man, looks nice. Like I said, really looks like the Rebel shaver. Just, you know, a little different, slightly different. Once again, guys, this do drop in September. Once again, but as you can see, we have the on and off switch on this side, and then we have the button right here to take the foil head off of there. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. And as you can hear, we have a nice, powerful hum. Sounds really hot, you know, heavy duty. Sounds really powerful. You know, it sounds like a shaver should sound, you know what I'm saying? Now, obviously some shavers are a little louder, some shavers sound different, you know, but it doesn't sound bad, right? Yes, I know on the microphone and the camera, it may sound a little louder in this video, but it actually is not much louder than any other shaver that I have.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
But let's go ahead and finish looking at what comes in the box. So let's reopen this. Let's take this little plastic piece off. So once we take that plastic piece off, you will see that we have this in here. So we have a hanging hook, and then we also have the thumb, I don't know what it's called, the thumb cushion. So if you place that, you can place that right here instead of what we have here. You can take this one off and place this one. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but it does have like a little thumb indentation right there, just to be a little more comfortable if that's what you like. And then we do get a USB Type-C charger. Not the charger, but just the cord. And then we get a mini screwdriver in here, as you can see. And we get this little cleaning brush that honestly barbers don't really use, right? But check it out once again, man. This is the Gamma Boosted Shaver. Check that out. All right, so like I was saying, guys, I have used this on a couple clients. I think about 3 or 4, not a lot, but I'm just gonna give y'all my initial thoughts on this shaver. As of right now, I like the weight of it. I like the ergonomics of it. I like the shape of it. I like the way it's built. And as of right now, I like the way it works. Now, I will say that I think the Stylecraft Instinct shaver works a little better. And also the FX1 shaver from Babyliss, I think work a little better. However, this is a great shaver. Now, once again, guys, I'm not sure what the price is gonna be on this shaver, but if it's at a lower price point, about $100 bucks, $120 bucks, I think that it would be, you know, a good shaver because like I said, it's not as good as the Stylecraft Instinct shaver, but it still gets the job done. As y'all seen in the video, it was taking the hair down pretty easily. I didn't have to apply too much pressure. And I do like that we have that middle cutter right here because like I said earlier, if you have longer hair, it will take the hair down. There's been times where, you know, even me, when I'm shaving my head, I take the hair down with the trimmer, but I miss a couple strands of hair, right? And then when I'm going over it with the shaver and I look back at it, it didn't get that longer hair down. Like I'll have like a strand of like long hair on top and I have to hit it with the trimmer and then re-hit it with the shaver. But the thing about with this shaver is if there are a couple strands of hair that are a little longer, you can just still go over it with this shaver and it'll cut that hair down to that shaver length. So that's a good thing about this shaver. Once again, it can be useful in certain situations, in certain scenarios, and depending on how you use the shavers for you and your clients. Obviously, if you take the hair down with a 5/0 or the trimmer, it's not gonna be an issue taking it down with this shaver. I like that it's not such an aggressive shaver. Sometimes when you have shavers and you're using them on the client, it can be mildly irritating. You know, it may just be a little bit uncomfortable to the client. But this one, as I was using it, the client said that it felt smooth. They liked the way that it felt on their head. So obviously, that's a plus when you have a tool that's not too uncomfortable for the clients, especially when it comes to the shaver.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
I know the shaver on kids sometimes can be an issue. Like they say the shaver hurts. And as of right now, I haven't had that issue with this shaver. But once again, guys, I've only used it for a couple days on a few haircuts. So I can't really say how good this is gonna be long-term. But as of right now, I'm liking using it. Like I said, I do like the shape of it, you know, and I'm gonna keep it on the station as of right now. And I know y'all gonna be like, Tank, you always say you're gonna keep stuff on your station. But no, I'm gonna keep this on my station just because I wanna keep using it and see how it works long-term. A lot of times with shavers, once the heads start to dull down, they kind of suck, right? So I'm trying to see how dull these get without me having to change the forehead and if it still performs well. That's really the true test to me when it comes to shavers because my Metal Instinct shaver still works well and my FX1 shavers still work well even though I've been using them for a good amount of time. So hopefully this does the same thing, guys, but check it out once again, the Gamma Boosted Shaver. Check that out. Once again, you can pre-order this at gammaplusna.com. Not sure if it is on their website yet, but I know when it does become available, you can use my discount code TANK10 even on pre-orders, and when they ship out, you'll be sure to get it at a discounted price. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.